Present for sale at 3 Pines Garage. Registration GL10DMZ. 2010 Ford Transit Custom 2.4 high roof vent Si 115 PS Motorhome. It comes with leisure batteries, twin hob burner, sink with deployable shower tap, insulated carpeted, 400W solar panel, 32i smart TV, fridge, 2 leisure batteries, inverter, 5 kilowatts DAS-L heater, LED lighting. Custom-made new memory foam mattress, rhino roof and ladder rack, roof box, tow bar, new and used porta-potty, new water tank and hoses not yet fitted, sockets. A full MOT and service are included in the sale. PX is considered at trade value. Finance is available and warranty is included. There is no VAT. You can contact us at 07 300 300 101 or 018854 88188.